Good morning everybody from a service station somewhere in England. We're en route to Portsmouth for the leaving day of Rust to the Sahara 2025. I'm super excited for it. It has been an exhausting 2.5 weeks since I got back from French Alps, and then last minute getting the Black Pearl ready for Rust to the Sahara. It's been to the Sahara once before and I said I wouldn't take it again because it's just not the right car for the job, but here I am. Okay, and we are off on Rust to the Sahara. Yay! Boarding the ferry to Spain. That is gorgeous.
So most looking forward to in Rust to the Sahara, well, you know, just getting away from it all because, you know, well, and this is part of my problem from earlier, but, you know, there's no laptops, there's no computers, there's no emails, we're desolate and remote, and just being on an adventure that people used to do instead of, you know, you can go on holiday but you can still be kind of connected, and just getting away with a bunch of people, having a laugh, remembering what being alive is all about, really.
I'm travelling with Mum this week. Mum and I have done 5 Rust-to-Roams in total, but we've travelled all over the world together. She's one of my most favourite travel companions. She's good fun, she gets involved, everybody likes Mum, so yeah, it's good fun. Well, for me, Rust-to-Roam's got many facets. It's about making friendship, it's about having an adventure, it's about seeing places you've never seen before and places that just generally people don't get to because, well, Marco, you put together such a wonderful trip for us all, every time.
And we are off on Rust to the Sahara. Where's my car not working? Oh, plug it in.
Excuse me.
Yeah, sorry,
You have to face the camera, not the fans. You're very welcome, yeah. And kudos to the de facto cameraman, Andy, who's filming me from Sahara.